दीपक टिळकजी आणि ज्युनियर टिळक्स ऑल ऑफ दॅम. माझा मराठी आहे ते कोल्हापुरी मराठी आहे. शाहू महाराजांना खूप आनंद वाटत असेल, त्यांच्या गावची आहे मी. माझे वडील डॉक्टर होते कोल्हापूरला, नंतर कुरंदवाड, जयसिंगपूर, सांगली, दॅट एरिया. नंतर 1956 काले आम्ही मूलतः कर्नाटकाचे आहे, म्हणून आम्ही कर्नाटकाला गेले, धारवाडकडे. त्यामुळे माझं प्रथम शिक्षण मी मराठीमध्ये शिकलेलं आहे. 2-3 येतात, नंतर कानडी, नंतर आता परिपूर्ण कानडी झालं. मी केव्हाही म्हणते मी माझं बोलणं कानडी, परंतु हृदय महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे म्हणते मी. परंतु कोल्हापूर मराठी जरा पुण्यापेक्षा वेगळं. आमचं म्हटलं तर पैलवानचं मराठी म्हणते मी, अहो जावं बोलायचं. त्यामुळे आता सगळं मंडळी पुण्याची आहे, मी माझं प्रोटेक्शन करायला इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलते. आय एम एक्स्ट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल फॉर टिळक फॅमिली अरेंजिंग दिस ऑनर ॲट दिल्ली बिकॉज ऑफ मी. आय टोल्ड देर इज नो वे आय कॅन कम टू Pune because the session is on. If it were Saturday, I would have come. But you can't change the date. It is always 1st August. So Rohit and Deepak ji, special thanks to you that you have arranged. Probably we are the first Zodpa who get this award, I suppose. Thank you very much for giving this award. Whether I really deserve it or not, I do not know. But I always enjoy when your own people recognize you फॉर युअर वर्क. बाहेर असलेले उरलेले लोक काही देऊ शकेल, परंतु लोक तुम्हाला आदर सन्मान केव्हा करतात तेव्हा तुम्हाला खूपच आनंद वाटतं. मला ते आनंद आज वाटत आहे. सासऱ्यांच्या घरी शालू दिले तर, पण आईचं इचलकरंजी तर साडीच खूप आवडतं ना, तसं सारखं मला हे माहेरसारखं आहे. मी म्हणते मी कृष्णासारखं आहे म्हणते, तर कृष्णाला यशोदा पण होती, देवकी पण होती. त्यामुळे मला कानडी माझं हे देवकी माझा जन्म आहे, ते जन्मभूमी आहे आणि माझी मातृभाषा आहे. परंतु मला वाढलेलं हे मराठीच आहे, मराठी एरिया, कोल्हापूर, सांगली, कुरुंदवाड, जयसिंगपूर. त्यामुळे मी कृष्णासारखं 2 आई आहे मला. 2ला मी प्रेम तसंच करते, मला डिफरन्सच नाही. I want to tell you a story before I start because I'm a storyteller after all. It's my profession. I worked with sex workers for 18 long years. There's a book on that. It's not that I'm selling my book here. I just want to tell my experience. 3,000 stitches on that. 3,000 टाके म्हणून मराठीमध्ये पण आहे. And this book, is the result of my hard work for 18 years. It is one of the most difficult experience in my life. Is not marrying an unemployed Narayan Murthy, but working with all these people. I worked for 18 years, and my father used to tell me, if you could change 10 people, sex workers, to real life, I'd be very proud. I gave birth to a daughter who could change 10 people. When he died, I could change only 7. But in 18 years' time, I could change 3,000 of them. It would not have been possible at all without my good friend Abhay Kumar, who is from Delhi, who left everything and came and worked with me. Without mentioning his name, I cannot go further. We worked together. And all these women of middle age, old age, young age, different kind. It's a different world. They were in different villages nearby. And एकमेकांना त्यांचा संपर्कच नव्हता. So I told them, you should get together, talk to each other, because everyone used to feel they have been deceived, they have been taken advantage, and they don't have money, what they have to do, society looks down upon them. They had a lot of problems, psychologically a lot more actually. So I told them, all of you should get together, talk to each other, and it helps. They said, what is the use of talking to each other? I said, it helps. Then we don't have money. I said, you don't have to worry about money. I won't give you money also for this. Whatever profession you are practicing now, bring part of it. For example, ते काय सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनियर नव्हते, ते सब्जीवाले, दूध, गाय, किराणीचं दुकान, लहान लहान कामं त्यांचं. सगळं तुमच्या घरी काय आहे ना त्याच्यामध्ये एक 1/10 तुम्ही आणा, सगळे मिळून स्वयंपाक करा, सगळे मिळून एक जागामध्ये स्वयंपाक करा. कुठलेही 4-5 गाव होते, एक ठिकाणी मग स्वयंपाक करा. काय आहे ते आणा, तुमचं मुलांना घेऊन या, सगळे मिळून ते. It would not have been possible at all without my good friend Abhay Kumar, who is from Delhi, who left everything and came and worked with me. Without mentioning his name, I cannot go further. We worked together. And all these women of middle age, old age, young age, different kind. It's a different world. They were in different villages nearby. And एकमेकांना त्यांचा संपर्कच नव्हता. So I told them, you should get together, talk to each other, because everyone used to feel they have been deceived, they have been taken advantage, and they don't have money, what they have to do, society looks down upon them. They had a lot of problems, psychologically a lot more actually. So I told them, all of you should get together, talk to each other, and it helps. They said, what is the use of talking to each other? I said, it helps. Then we don't have money. I said, you don't have to worry about money. I won't give you money also for this. Whatever profession you are practicing now, bring part of it. For example, ते काय सॉफ्टवेअर इंजिनियर नव्हते, ते सब्जीवाले, दूध, गाय, किराणीचं दुकान, लहान लहान कामं त्यांचं. सगळं तुमच्या घरी काय आहे ना, त्याच्यामध्ये एक 1/10 तुम्ही आणा, सगळे मिळून स्वयंपाक करा, सगळे मिळून एक जागामध्ये स्वयंपाक करा. कुठलेही 4-5 गाव होते, एक ठिकाणी मग स्वयंपाक करा. काय आहे ते आणा, तुमचं मुलांना घेऊन या, सगळे मिळून ते. पौर्णिमे दिवस रात्री तुम्ही खोजागिरी करतात ना, तसंच ट्रान्सलेशन केले मी. तुम्ही भाकरी, झुणका, तुम्ही काय झुणकाच म्हणतात ना तुम्ही, झुणका, आणि काहीतरी करा, सगळं मिळून तुम्ही जेवा. आता त्यांना तुम्ही देवीचे पूजा करा असं केलं तर त्यांना आवडत नाही. इनिशियली काही म्हणायचं नाही त्यांच्याशी, आणि तसं ते केलं आहे. 6 महिन्याला एकदा, नंतर 2 महिन्याला, नंतर 3 महिन्याला एकदा, 2 महिन्याला, नंतर महिन्याला एकदा. आफ्टर 2-3 years दे कॉल्ड मी, ताई आम्हाला एक आयडिया आले आहे. आम्ही दररोज आमच्या घरी कोणाला न कळताना 10 रुपये 20 रुपयाचं आम्ही जमा करतो, आणि मग सगळं आम्हाला एक बँक पाहिजे. आता काय बँक आहे, कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये इंग्लिशमध्ये फॉर्म भरायचा आम्हाला येत नाही, आम्हाला बाहेर जाऊन सवय नाही. म्हटलं आता काय करायचं? ते म्हटले, बरं मग आम्हाला एक आमचंच बँक पाहिजे, आणि आमचंच एक इमारत पाहिजे, बँक पाहिजे, तिकडे आम्ही जमा करतो पैसे. आयडिया चांगला होता, परंतु इमारत बांधायला पैसे पाहिजे. नॉर्मली आय नेवर गिव्ह मनी इन रिअल एस्टेट, बिकॉज रिअल एस्टेट इज ऑलवेज lucrative business. I don't want to deal with that. So I told them, this is the first time. I took 1 month time. I said, okay, I will give money to buy a building. Then I asked my sister Jayashree Deshpande to help me to get a coaching person for them in accounts, their own person who is little more educated. And thus we started Devdasi, that bank. We did not give a name Devdasi. We said Mahila Punarniwas, big name, Mahila Punarniwas Yojana, ऐसा काहीतरी नाव देऊन त्यांचं बँक सुरू केलं. That's the first time I broke my own rule. After 2 years, they told me that we have made 8 lakhs profit. 8 lakhs. People sitting here, 8 lakhs may not be big. It may be probably a diamond necklace or something. But look at 3,000 of them saving 8 lakhs for smallest profession. After 4 years, they were able to save 30-40 lakhs. And then they told me, Tai, you gave the best idea, and we want to celebrate this. Okay, so we want to send you a Volvo AC bus ticket from Bangalore to Raichur, or where I was working. Come. Then I told them, don't worry, I will come. Otherwise, the rest is different. How did I get this idea? How did this get idea? Exchanging the ideas, talking to each other when you are in difficulties, and the common enemy was poverty, helplessness, and society looking down on them. Face it, yet you should come out of it. How could I get this one? I'm a trained engineer, and I come from a doctor's family. But the trick was, I'm also a granddaughter of a school teacher, a history teacher, who taught me about Gangadhar Tilak, Lokamanya Gangadhar Tilak, when I was very young. He taught me, my grandfather taught me, please remember, Harikar, we say in Kannada, we say Harikar, that is the pioneer man. The pioneer man in our Swarajya, later it developed, with many people, was Lokmanya Tilak. He said the best way to get all people from all community and inexpensive way so that they can have a common enemy or a common goal, to be precise, to get Swaraj. And he arranged Ganpati festival. A festival was also bhakti, was also a way of bringing all people together irrespective of their community, having a single goal, unite together we can stand. And this is the way how I was introduced to Sanmanya Lokmanya Tilak, and I used it in real life. So I owe a lot to Lokmanya Tilak. I learned this lesson and used and made all these 3,000 women economically independent and profitable business, getting their wage and their money. Thank you, sir. That there was a great man, and I know I was not fortunate to live, to see, to witness him, because he passed away much earlier than we were all born. I have read about him through many books, and being in Pune, Kesariwada, I have gone many times. When Jayawant Tilak was there, I used to come, and Deepakji, your mother, used to tell me, every day evening I put a light in front of the diya lawaise Tilakancha putale samor. And when Mr. Murthy got this award in 2004, he got a gift, Lokmanya sir, and me put this karte. We should remember, because people like them were there, we are standing here. Please remember, we got freedom because such people who forgot about their own self. Somebody asked Mr. Tilak, it seems, in case you would not have got into politics, what you would have done? He said, I would have been a mathematics professor. What a sharp mind. I feel he would have been a great philosophy professor. So when I went to Burma, Brahmadesh, Myanmar, whatever you call, everybody wanted to go to different place. I said, I have two aims here, coming to Burma. Number one, Bahadur Shah Jafar's Qabr I want to see, the last Mughal emperor of India. Second one, I want to go to Mandale. I said, how he could come to Mandale, leaving his family, staying there, and and then, as soon as he went to the prison, he forgot everything. He did not sit, cry, or do anything. He started writing on philosophy. I heard it's a guitar. I said, maybe you should correct me in case I'm wrong. What a philosophical mind. What a detachment he had. When he was in India, he fought. When he went to Mandale, he wrote the great philosophical work, Gita Rahasya. And a great genius. He must have been a real genius because he had multifaceted personality. And getting this award means, sir, it's a great honor to me. It's a great honor to me on behalf of myself and my family, and both from getting in a house 2 awards is a matter of a great festival, I suppose. Great Ashirwad, I suppose. Sir, my mother was also a school teacher. I asked her, which is the data line I have to take when I want to remember history? Is it 1291 when Prithviraj Chauhan, 1292 when Prithviraj Chauhan lost his battle, or is it 1857 the War of Plassey, or 1942 when Chalwali was started, or it is 629 when Huaynak Singh came to India? Which one? She said, the best thing is to be happy and to remember. The great thing is remember 1630 and 1680. 1630, the birth of Shivaji Maharaj. 1680, the unfortunate, at the age of 50, he died. She said, take this other data line and fix your history before and after. And even today, I remember 1630, 1680, from there onwards I calculate. As a child, I used to ask my mother, वाघना कुठे आहे, कुठे ठेवले नंतर, अफजल खानला मारले नंतर. ती म्हटले, मला काय माहीत, मी नुसतं मास्तरीण आहे, मला कसं माहीत असेल. And then I went to England. Once I went to an exhibition, and in that they showed 2 Wagnak on the display, and they wrote, these are the instruments Shivaji wore on his fingers and killed Afzal Khan. मी कोण असो का नसो मी बघितले नाही आणि चक्क गर्दी होतं तिकडे. मी उद्दंड नमस्कार करून टाकले तिकडे. लोकांना वाटलं हे काय बाई असं करत आहे, काय तर झालं आहे काय तिला. नाही म्हटलं मी, हे कृतज्ञतापूर्वक, विथ आदर, विथ अफेक्शन, विथ ग्रेट प्राईड, हिअर इज अवर शिवाजी, using that he is saying. I was brought up always with listening to the Shivaji story, Shiva Prabhu in Pune, in Kannada translated, Ishwari Sutra, all about Shivaji. So, महाराज आज तो आपण नाही म्हणायचं, मला बरोबर शब्द येत नाही मराठीमध्ये आणि तेवढं प्रभुत्व नाही आहे, त्यामुळे आपण आज नाही म्हणायचं नाही. मी तुम्हाला नमस्कार करते. का म्हटले तर तुम्ही शिवाजी वंशस्थ आहे. तुमचे शिवाजी, तुमचे युअर फोरफादर शिवाजी वॉज देअर, अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट वी कुड ऑल लिव्ह अँड टॉक टू इच अदर लाईक दिस. युअर फॅमिली हॅज डन अ ग्रेट सर्विस टू ऑल ऑफ अस डाउन साऊथ, अँड युअर ancestor Rajaram Maharaji came to Karnataka with Chennamma's court. So we have been associated with you physically near, mentally near. So we can't do Namaskar to Shivaji. He has passed away in 1680. On our behalf, on behalf of myself and my family, I want to touch your feet. Don't say no, it hurts me. I have always done my duty. I have enjoyed my work. If somebody enjoys their work and every day is a holiday, if they can get a award, it's me. It is no day I felt my work was difficult. No day I felt, oh, I have to work, because every day was a great day. I loved my work. I also appreciate Lokmanya Tilak's wife, because I know when her husband is on a big mission, and in those days she did not have money. Was it Tapabai or Satyabhama? Satyabhama. But she had a nickname, I remember. I vaguely remember when I was in Pune, somebody said Tapabai or something like that. I'm not sure about it. 50 वर्ष पूर्वीचं माझं आठवण आता काय आहे, म्हातारी झालेलं आठवण पण नसेल ते. बरं, I really appreciate her. लोकमान्य did not have great asset. आस्ती नव्हतं, एस्टेट नव्हतं, पैसे नव्हतं, आरोग्य बिघडलेलं आरोग्य, त्यांना डायबेटिक झाले असं म्हणतात, कोणी म्हटलं तर हायपरटेन्शन झाले असेल, ट्रीटमेंट नाही, कष्ट, स्ट्रेस, आणि घरी मुलं बाळं, मिनिमम पैसेमध्ये राहायचं, आणि ते कसं राहिले आणि नवऱ्याला किती साथ दिले ते बघितलं तर मला हे अवॉर्डच्या आधा अवॉर्ड त्यांना जायला पाहिजे. देर आर मेनी विमेन, दे हॅव सॅक्रिफाईस सो मच and 100% believing in their husband. It is very difficult to get women like that today. Believing 100% in husband's mission and taking it like part of life, like a tapaswini with the same detachment. It is not that behind every successful man there is a woman. Along with successful man, there is always a woman with him, and she was the mother, she was the lady who was with him. People talk about him. Please talk next time about her also. It means a lot. Rohit, you are very fortunate because you are born in a family where whole India looks at you. It's not easy. It's a great role, and Raunak, you are going to inherit. I wish you all the best. Remember the great lessons your forefathers have taught, and my grandchildren will look at you. That here is the Tilak's family who sacrificed so that we can live in independent India. He suffered so that we can live in a democratic India. His wife quietly underwent difficulties, swallowing all the bitterness, whatever difficulties she had, so that we can live in India which is Swaraj, our own. All people here, Marathi Rasikana, मराठी वाचकांनो, मराठी बंधू आणि बहिणींनो, तुम्ही पण सगळ्यांना प्राऊड असायला पाहिजे, गर्व असायला पाहिजे. तुमचा इनहेरिटन्स काय आहे? यू हॅव अ ग्रेट इनहेरिटन्स इन द स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. मे बी आगरकर, मे बी ज्योतिबा फुले, मे बी लोकमान्य टिळक, मे बी रानडे गोखले, आणि उंच माझा झोका कोणते? रमाबाई नाही, उंच माझा झोका. असं लोकांचं एवढं परंपरा आहे तुम्हाला. हे परंपरा पैसे होऊन घ्यायला होत नाही. नैनम छंदंत शस्त्राणी नैनम दहती पावकः. हे पैसे होऊन येत नाही, हे अवॉर्ड होऊन येत नाही. हे तुमचं DNA आहे, तुमचे DNA, तुमचं महाराष्ट्राचं DNA. कोणी घ्यायला होत नाही. त्याच्याबद्दल गर्व करून द्या. आता काय हल्ली काय आहे ना, मराठी समजतं हो, बोलायला येत नाही. आता मुली सगळं इंग्लिश मिडियम की माझा मुलगाला मराठी समजतं, बोलायला येत नाही. बोलायला पण यायला पाहिजे, वाचायला पण यायला पाहिजे. ते तुमचं आद्य कर्तव्य आहे. आणि मराठी वाचकांना मी एक सादर प्रणाम करते. का म्हटले तर माझं 25 पुस्तकं मराठीमध्ये आहे. लोकांना वाटतं मी मराठीमध्ये लिहिले, मी बोलते परंतु लिहायला येत नाही मला, आणि वाचायला येतं परंतु खूप मुश्किल. आता शब्द जोपायचं मुश्किल होतं. आता इंग्लिशमध्ये द्या म्हणते मी. माझं 25 पुस्तकं मराठीमध्ये आहे. आणि लोक मला पत्र पाठवतात, सुधाताई तुम्ही खूप छान लिहितात. मी म्हटले नाही, हे माझं हे नाही, हे माझं खूप सुंदर ट्रान्सलेटर आहे लीना सोनी, ती माझी ट्रान्सलेशन करते. परंतु हंस क्षीर विवेक येतो का तसंसारखं माझं पुस्तक अनुवाद आहे. अनुवाद असते तर पण तुम्ही माझं पुस्तकं विकत घेऊन वाचून आणि मला पत्र पाठवता. हे माझं भाग्य आहे की अनुवाद पुस्तकाबद्दल एवढं प्रेम मराठी वाचक मला देतात. म्हटले तर त्यांना चांगलं काय नाही, न चांगलं काय त्यांना माहीत आहे. बरेच लोक म्हणतात मला मराठी साहित्यकार, आमच्यापेक्षा तुमचं अनुवादाच्या पुस्तकाचे पैसे तुम्हाला जास्त मिळते, रॉयल्टी. हो मिळते मला. शाळेत मी नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3 मध्येच आहे. मराठी पुस्तकाचं रॉयल्टी मिळायच्याबद्दल. ते हंस क्षीर कुठं आहे, नंतर दूध कुठं आणि पाणी कुठे, असं ते विचार करताना तसं तुम्ही माझं हंस क्षीरमध्ये क्षीर करून तुम्ही घेतलेलं आहे. माझा अनेक धन्यवाद तुम्हाला. People like you read so that person like me can survive. People like you appreciate me. People like me will get inspiration. People like you always enjoy my sahitya and made me an author. धन्यवाद. जय महाराष्ट्र.
ABP माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.